Today I'm looking at another Loki Battlemats product. It is the Long Road box. Same kind of idea as the Veiled Dungeon, if you've seen that video. Let's look inside. So, as before, you get a free digital copy as well, just the same as the Veiled Dungeon. So I'm imagining there's going to be a map inside the cover. Yes, a little tavern. Great. Oh, it's even got a little doorway. Nice touch. Cards, as before, with, hopefully, yes, pictures on the other side. Great pictures. So when they just say, this is what's up ahead. Easy, beautiful art. Players can envision what the hell they are about to fight or talk to. The book with an adventure inside. Yes, the shortcuts to help the DM know which map is what. And when they're travelling overland, we can make it interesting with encounters on the way, roll tables, and then explanations of what each selection is. An adventure called A Well-Travelled Vintage. So you put different maps together here to make a big scene. And then we have the statistics as of the cards in the back. In the base, could be a muddy cellar, whatever you decide. Look at that, let's look at the maps now. Okay, so on your travels, a well in the middle, and little houses. As I say, these work as singular, but you can also put them side by side. Some sort of mini guard post, perhaps. A marshy, swampy area. Bridge over a river. A nice little lowered section where you can get ambushed. Perfect for goblin fighting. Trees and bushes. Classic road. A little place for resting if it's safe. Imagine this is a hilltop that rises and brings you to a vantage point. Because travelling can be dull, this really is a good fix. It helps you out with the, oh, you're going between A and B, well surely something happens on the road. Travelling for however many days, must be a different version of a similar map. Place to stay that you come across, always really strong, where you can get NPC details. Another bridge stretching over a little stream, a walk beside a river. Just, it looks almost generic, some of this, but that is still a good way to describe, well, you walk on the long road, what do you see? Well, it's just more road, but everything's different slightly. It's different enough to still make it interesting. This road is different to the other. Is this water? It looks like lily pads and stuff, so again, a raised section through swampland. A scarecrow, a cart, maybe as you're coming into or leaving town. And finally, a roadblock, ambush time. And you finally reach civilization, perhaps. Big statue, and one that's been crumbled. And this open section where you just put on the next map that you choose. Let's look at the PDF. Right, here we are inside the PDF. It talks about creating your journey, how to use the box. Then we have the encounters for each different map, 5e adventure, and a list of monsters as stat blocks at the back. So we have the maps, the double-sided maps shown here. You can just grab them, throw them down, or you can use them as intended and go on the roll tables for each individual map. As the Veiled Dungeon also has by this firm, why go on this journey, organisation, who's asking, person of interest, what reward is being offered, any complications, how long is the journey, how many areas you want to use map-wise, and then some variations to make it fresh for next time you run it. The encounters. Unique monsters are in red, they're the stat blocks at the back, and they're the cards that you get with it. Standard 5e in bold, and the items in blue. A table to find different encounters. If you've run one before and you think I want to use that, this is the great way to find it again. If you did Boulder Run and were like, I already enjoyed that, you go straight to it. So each set of maps has a roll table for the encounters you come across. Let's say Lightning Storm, number 11. Lightning Storm. The sky is alive with blinding flashes of lightning and thunder clashes ring out, echoing off distant hills. Unless the characters can get into shelter quickly, they risk being hit by lightning in this suddenly manifested storm. Each character must roll 1d10. Those in medium metal armor roll 2d10. And those in heavy armour roll 3d10. On a roll of 1 on any of the dice they're struck by lightning. Those struck by lightning take 48 lightning damage. Check for lightning saves every minute until the characters find shelter. After 10 minutes have passed, the story will dissipate and blow away. So each little map, you can use as many as you like of these encounters, or use it how you see fit. There are, as you can see, there are like 5 E-monsters in black bold, and then in this red here is the ones that are in the back. So Petty Officer, for example, let's go to the back. So we've got a guy here, inflexible, small-minded, and unwilling to be of any help to anyone. This self-important civil servant is widely disliked by traders and travellers alike. Someone higher up has given them busy work to keep them quiet, and they're carrying on this task with zeal. I know who you are. Gains advantage on charisma checks against those they deem as lower social status, and has disadvantage on charisma checks against those they deem of higher social status. Let's look at some of the other monsters. Piscator Python, retired adventurer. That's great. I love that as a stat block. I've needed that several times. Senior official. Again, great to know you have these little cards that come with it. Sloth Bear, River Spirit Corsair, Troubadour. Yeah, just another great product. Just love their stuff. Just love it. I wish they'd reach out to me. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch another video by me, I'll suggest this one. And I would love to see you again on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.